So NFP week, 4th of March, we commencing analysis. So start of the week is actually really quiet. Don't know where the filter option is. Okay, I'm not signed in, never mind. Okay, there we go. So nothing on Monday, nothing on Tuesday either. ISM, I guess, actually 3. But that's not like really high impact. Jolts, that's high impact. Well, not really high impact, but definitely does cause it to move. So keep an eye on Wednesday for a good move up or down, I guess. And Thursday, I think the Wednesday can be a good trading day. So can Tuesday, but obviously don't expect it to go keep going, because it's not going to do that. It's going to wait for NFP Friday, but you have ECB conference, so it's a volatile week actually, with the bulk of the moves on Thursday and Friday I think will be expected. But you can have good opportunities. What you have to remember, 80% partial. You have to take 80% partial on a week like this. This is the higher time frame trade we took. We're still in. We're holding 50% here at the previous weekly high, just above that. Let's start with the DXY first. So with DXY, what you can see here is 4th of March. Just look at the monthly as well, actually, because it's the new month now. Closed bullishly last month, and last week we rejected that fair value gap here. Just go back on Euro now. Hide everything, go on monthly chart. You can see how we closed, rejected the lower levels. And on the weekly chart, you can also see the rejection of the inversion weekly fair value gap here. Closed way above that, so that's a good signature. I think this is the draw here still, like I said in the last one, but obviously because it's NFP, I wouldn't want to be, I most likely wouldn't expect it to be a very clean one where it just goes up and takes it out. It might just mess around first and then do it. So still risk on, basically looking for the bullish targets. The NFP will provide the bulk of the movement, I think, towards this previous weekly high that you see over there. Also, just look at the pound real quick. Obviously, it was meant to hit this. It didn't last week. I think this week it's extremely likely to hit it because of the scale of the news that's coming out. NFP, that's a very volatile event. So if any time was pertinent for it to get hit, this would be it. So this previous week high should be a draw here. Again, it's easy to just say this is a draw, but the thing is, we don't know how the narrative is actually going to unfold. Okay, is it just going to be a simple one where you start with some accumulation, then you manipulate lower with NFP or another news event, and then distribute higher with another news event to offset the manipulation here? Is it just going to be as easy as that? I'm not sure. That's something for normal to happen. For NFP, it wouldn't be as clear cut, I would say. It could do something opposite where it might just go up and hit it first and then just consolidate throughout the week, and NFP comes in, head up again. Something strange like that, something that's not clear basically. It's just going to be difficult to read. That's why it's good to just take 80% partial and just be strict with management of the trade as well. Just closing out basically, not hoping for bigger targets on a week like this, because it's just going to be manipulated right ahead of it. You see on Monday they don't really have a sentiment idea here. Everyone chases it. So for example, this move here probably got a lot of shorts coming in, a lot of old me, not a lot of experience, probably just shorted this here. Here, just shorted it. This is just consolidating I'm just sitting there, draw down, wondering what it's gonna do next. You know, but obviously experience teaches us this is what they do deliberately, to just engage liquidity in orders to come in to the marketplace that have not done anything over the weekend. I'm not saying that cannot happen. It's just not as going to be clean. It's not going to be as or probable. So I'm most likely not going to trade unless something I think is extremely clear. I can just quickly get in and out, get 80 pips off that, maybe 10, 12 pips, move, just be done with it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now.